In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable product review requests and email notifications in your commerce dashboard. If you want more customer feedback and stronger social proof on your store, setting up review requests and notifications is a quick win. I'll walk you through the exact controls you need to turn on, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so your review workflow runs smoothly. Once you're in your store's admin area, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Commerce on the left side. This opens the main commerce settings where all sales-related tools live. Taking a moment to start here keeps everything organized and ensures you're working in the right place. Next, click on Product Reviews. This section is dedicated to collecting, moderating, and displaying customer feedback for your items. It's where you control what gets sent to customers and what you receive as the store owner. Inside Product Reviews, find the control that lets you request reviews and click on Enable the Request Review. Turning this on activates automated prompts that go out to customers after a purchase. These requests are helpful because they nudge satisfied buyers to share their experience while it's still fresh. If your platform offers timing options behind the scenes, remember that sending requests a few days after delivery usually yields more thoughtful, relevant feedback. Now, enable also the email notifications. This ensures you're alerted when new reviews come in, so you can respond promptly, feature great feedback, or address concerns before they grow. Email notifications keep your team in the loop without having to constantly check the dashboard. If you use filters or labels in your inbox, consider adding one for review alerts to keep things tidy and easy to track. And then here on the dropdown, you can choose the settings that fit your workflow best. Use the dropdown to set preferences such as how the request is sent, the tone or template used in the message, and the timing window that makes the most sense for your products. For example, if you sell items with longer shipping or trial periods, selecting a slightly later window can improve the quality of responses. If your store serves multiple regions, pick a language or template variant that matches your audience. Keep an eye on the preview if it's available so you're confident the message looks professional and on brand. That's it. By clicking Commerce, opening product reviews, enabling the request review, turning on email notifications, and choosing the right option from the dropdown, you've set up a streamlined, reliable way to gather and manage customer feedback. Keep monitoring your results and refine your dropdown